Are you still manually sending WhatsApp messages to your new leads? Then watch this video till the end. So right here I'm going to fill this form providing the first name of my user as test, last name as user, and here I'm going to provide the email as test@pabblytudes.com. And now here I'm going to enter the contact number of my lead. So here I have provided it, and now let's enter the city as Bhopal. And now we just have to submit this form by simply selecting the submit button, which is successfully submitted. Now an instant WhatsApp message will be sent to this particular lead. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp and check for it. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this WhatsApp message which says, "Hi test user, welcome, we have successfully received your details." And right here you can see that we are receiving this personalized message. Means we are receiving the same name of the user which has just filled our type form. So now you have seen the magic of this automation, which is instantly sending WhatsApp message to this particular lead as soon as I have filled the form. So now you can also create this automation by using one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Connect, by using which you can integrate your varieties or thousands of business applications and can automate your entire business task without requiring any coding or technical skills. So now let me show you how to use this amazing automation tool and how you can create this automation for your leads too. So let's move on towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect with me. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free. And if you sign up account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you have to sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards my workflow page, where we are going to create this automation. So right here we have to select our trigger application. So right here I'm going to select my trigger application as type form, as I want to send a WhatsApp message to my type form leads. So here I have selected this trigger application. Now let's select the app event as new entry. Now let's build the connection, and right here we are on the connection page. Before building a new connection, you just have to select this button of add new connection and click over this connect with type form. And right here I'm going to allow the access, so I'm going to just click over this authorize button. And here you can see that the connection has been created successfully. And now it is asking me to select the form through which I want to receive my new leads. So here I want to receive my leads from this form, that is lead generation form. And now let's select the response format as simple and click over the save and send test request. And right here it is waiting for the webhook response. So now we have to fill the type form and receive the webhook response. So here I have created this form named as lead generation form, which I'm going to fill. So now let's provide the first name as demo, last name as user, and here I'm going to enter the email as demo@pabblytudes.com. So here I'm going to enter it. Now let's provide the contact number too. And here I'm going to enter the city as Bhopal. And now let's submit this form, which is successfully submitted. Now the details of this lead will be automatically fetched by Pabbly Connect, as we have just built in the connection. So now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect and check for it. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where 11 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response A. And this response consists of all the details of the user. So right here you can check out the user's first name, and here you can see the rest of the details such as its last name, and here you can see the email address too. So now here we are having the data. Now I'm going to send a personalized WhatsApp message to this particular lead. So for that I'm going to use an amazing application provided by Pabbly called as Pabbly Chatflow, by using which you can send WhatsApp messages to your leads and can automate your entire WhatsApp conversation between you and your customers. So now let me select this application as my action app, and now let's select the app event as send text message. Now let's click over this connect button, and right here for building the new connection you just have to enter the token. So for getting the token, let's move on towards my all Pabbly apps page, where you can see that we are getting this application provided by Pabbly called as Pabbly Chatflow, which I'm going to access. So as I have clicked over this access now button, we are landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow. We just have to go towards the settings, and here we are getting this option for API and webhooks, which you have to select. And right here we are getting this API token, which you have to paste over the Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to enter my token. Now let's save it, and here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting this first field for entering the recipient's WhatsApp mobile number. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this, but no, because Pabbly Connect provides us a method called as mapping, which is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all the details from the response which I'm receiving from type form, as this is my previous application containing the lead details. So you just have to press the slash symbol, and right here we are getting a previous application, that is type form. So here I'm going to search for the phone number of my user. So now let me search for it, and right here you can see that we are getting this response or this mobile number. Now it is asking me to enter the WhatsApp message which I want to send to my user. So here I'm going to enter the message which I want to send to my user. So this is the message which I'm going to send to my user, and here after this word hi, I'm going to enter the name of my lead. So for that again I'm going to map the data. So here I'm going to select the response of the type form, and now let me search for the first name of my user. So here we are getting the first name which I'm going to map, provide the space, and now I'm going to map the last name of the user from the response of the type form. So here you can see that we are receiving the last name which I have mapped, and now these fields are dynamic, means these are going to replace with every new single form submission received over your type form. So now here we have entered the message, and here you can even map the name of the contact. And now for this field, that is recipient's WhatsApp mobile number, I'm going to replace this mobile number with my phone number so that I can show you the response which I'm receiving. So here I'm going to enter my mobile number. So here I have entered it, and now we just have to click over the save and send test request. And right here you can see that we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that the message is sent. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp and check for it. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this WhatsApp message which says hi demo user, and right here we are receiving this message, and this message is a personalized message, means we are receiving the same name of the user which has just filled our type form. So now you can see that how easy this is to send an automated WhatsApp message to your leads, and you can do it by just using amazing applications provided by Pabbly. And you have seen that you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this automation. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.